So why do you want to upgrade to the Maximo application suite? Applications today require current versions of operating systems. The legacy Maximo, about a year from now, that thing's going to be on extended support only, which means it's going to be expensive to keep your support going. And another couple years after that, it's going to be completely unsupported regardless of what you pay. So you need to be looking at moving to the newer platform. The newer platform is the application suite. By getting to the application suite, we have given ourselves the ability to analyze thousands of times more information and more detail. And when we start putting that into algorithms for predictive maintenance, operating against a good historical data set, we are going to see huge returns on investment. But if we stick in the current Maximo, the Maximo 7.6 series, we're never going to get to that. We're not. We can get close, absolutely, because we've been doing that, but we're not going to get to where the application suite will take us.